Okay, here we are with Chronocosmonomy 101. This is an intro. This is Tasciotti, PE. Um, your professor for today. I'm not a real professor, but most people might consider this pseudoscience, and I'm just prepared for that. I don't have any expectations. It usually takes a long, long time for people to really accept the thing that's going to be like the new established reality. This is called a map chart, and I believe that it has a lot of science that has been integrated in it. It's very comprehensive. This is not everything about chronocosmonomy, but what it's showing you here is the cycles that are between the nearest celestial orbs, let's say. And it's part of the solar system that is I have a totally different model. Not totally different, but it really takes things to another level. I'll just give you some clues because the moon is not going around the Earth, and the sun is not stationary, and we used to be a binary star system, which most are out in the universe. When you take a look, all around in our galaxy, you see binary stellar systems. So that's the general rule. The exception is when there's only one. So we happen to be a rare situation right now, but it goes back and forth. So Jupiter will become a sun before long. But that's going way out of the scope of this. This basically gives you the basis also of a new calendar. I'm not going to go into the details of that. But what I want to point out with the map chart itself is what's going on here. You have. Open the door. Come on in. We're filming. This is really you gotta focus. No distractions. Open the door. So the door is open. Open the door. Students, you're on film right now. This is public. Okay. So as part of chronocosmonomy and map charts, what you see here is called a time-space-wave. And by the way, this is the second edition of an original first edition illustration painting. And what this is the actual physical thing here is a print that I made on a large machine. And what I'm doing is I'm going over it again by hand, so it'll be a handmade second edition. And so, but let's get back to what the content actually is. These are time-space-waves, and they go over these notes. So I don't know if you can tell, because just it's a basic outline that the notes are a different color, and it's color coded. And I just basically use a spectrum, which was studied by Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton is very important to the scheme of things. Let's not forget absolute time. Forget about Einstein and everyone saying that time's an illusion and doesn't exist and it's all relative. No, there's absolute time. Okay, so now what we have here is with the black note goes to the red note to the so on and so forth. Now to this way you don't have any more notes. So I'm giving you a really big clue as to how this works as far as structurally and what to expect. This is just one part. See this here? See this here, down here? This is a scroll. This is a scroll. So when you have it actually on a wooden machine, it was scroll. So this is the scroll, and it goes this way and it goes that way, endlessly, endlessly. This just happens to be the part of it that you're looking at right now, and you're taking a look right now at 70 years, approximately 70 years, okay? And so what I wanted to show you with these, like here, for example, is the green note. So I can right now comfortably go like this, come up a little closer, and I can just go like this right in front of you. This is a work in progress, and I can go here, and I can go like this. Okay? See what I just did? What I just did, I can do that. I can do that. Now, guess what I'm going to do next? What do you see next? On the spectrum, what would be to this side of the green? And this is the green note, by the way. The green note would be next to the yellow note. So then we go like this. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. I'll show you how I actually do these things. Everything is meticulously handmade. except as I admitted, of course, that the copy is made on a machine, but then I redo it. And that's okay that we've got a little bit of green in here because the green and the yellow meld together. They do meld together. So if I go like that, you see like some yellow on this way, that's okay. That's all right, because it does. The note itself is just the very heightened part of it, but it blends out. So if you notice, the curved parts go in between the notes, but in the pointy part goes onto the note. So what does that mean? It does mean something. I'm not going to tell you right now, but it means something, and that's enough for your first lesson. This is an intro to what a map chart is, and the chronocosmonomy, and the different notes. Thank you for watching.